Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jessica Flynn and I am the owner and maker of Flynn Sisters Boutique. And today I'm going to show you how to make the most adorable beaded pens. So you guys know I am obsessed with those bubblegum beads. We made the beaded keychains a while back. And if you're someone like me who bought a ton of those beads just for the beaded keychains, you've got a bunch left over. And I thought this was a perfect little project for those beads. They make great gifts and they're pretty inexpensive. So if you wanted to send some of these as thank you gifts for your customers or what have you, I think you guys are just gonna love this idea. I'm gonna have all the products that you see in this video listed and linked down in the description box. You might even find some discount codes for you there as well. So that's enough chit chat from me. Let's go ahead and get started. All right, you guys, here we go. These are so easy to make. You're gonna start with these pen blanks that are actually made for beads. So you wanna look up something like Beaded Pen blanks or something like that. I'll link the ones that I bought down below. However, 10 out of 10 would not recommend the brand that I bought. I felt like they were kind of cheap and flimsy, and I just think that there is probably some better options out there. So I'll try to dig around and find a better source for these. But anyway, this is how they come when you get them. You get all these different colors. I think there's a way where you can buy just like solid colors as well. And here is all my beads. Now I have the larger bubblegum beads, and for this project I would recommend getting a smaller bubblegum bead because these ones were almost too big, so you could only fit a couple of beads on at a time. And the hardest part of making these, I think, is deciding what beads that you want to use and things like that. I mean, I lamented over this decision for so long. But anyway, I'll try to also link some smaller beads as well because like I said, I felt like these were just a little too big. I would have wanted a smaller size so I could fit more on there. But anyhow, once you've decided kind of like the look that you want to go for and you have all your charms picked out, you can get started. Now, I did have some little acrylic blanks that I was planning on glittering and epoxying and adding to these, but I changed my mind just because I didn't want to go through all that trouble to make the blanks for these when they look just as cute with just some little kind of charms and tassels. But you definitely could add the acrylic blanks. I will link where I get my little charms down below because I think those would also look really cute with this project. Right, and now that we have all our beads picked out, ready to start assembling our pen, I just want to show you guys how these work really quick. They're just these twist up pens. This is what the ink cartridge looks like. I don't know if you can find refills for these or not, but that's what they look like, and the pen just twists up and down. Okay, now to make these, we just twist off the little bar. It just has some threads in there that it twists into. And I wanted to add a little bit of E6000 glue. It's that stinky industrial glue, just to make sure everything fits in there snugly and doesn't come unscrewed. Because I feel like if I had one of these and it was rolling around in my purse and it came unscrewed, I would be kind of annoyed. So I'm just going to glue this on by, kind of rolling it in a little bit of that glue and twisting it into the base. Once that's on there securely, I'm going to twist off the end and put on my beads. Now, between each bead, I wanted to add in these really pretty spacers. I will link the spacers that I got down below. They come in a pack with a bunch of different kinds, and they are so pretty. I think they just set off the project. I absolutely love these. So we're just going to arrange our beads on there like so. And then once we get to the end here, I'm going to add one more additional spacer, and then I'm going to add a spacer that has a loop on it. So that loop is what's going to allow us to add on our charms. So you'll see that that spacer with a loop looks just like this. I'm going to link that as well. These little spacers with the loops come in a pack of all different kinds of, styles and shapes. So a little bit more glue at the end, and then we'll twist on that cap piece there. And now we're ready to put on our little charms. First, I do want to just kind of make sure everything's on there properly and that my pen is working correctly and just everything is nice and sturdy. Right, and I thought it would be really cute to add on one of these little keychain tassels that I have. You can also get these on Amazon. I'll link mine down below. They come with a bunch of different colors. And I'm going to use 2 jump rings. I'm going to put 1 jump ring on the tassel and then 1 jump ring to attach it to our little spacer with a loop there on the pen. And I'm just using 2 pieces, or 2 pliers, excuse me, to pull apart our jump ring. You want to pull it apart side by side rather than apart end to end. That way it's easy to get your jump ring back together. All right, and we're just going to attach this little charm onto our pen. All right, you guys, and here's another one that I did with like this really cute leopard print one and a heart-shaped bead. I thought this design was so cute with the red spacers. Again, those different colored spacers were also from the same pack that I got the first ones from that I showed you guys. Such a pretty pack of spacers. And again, we're just going to glue this shut. So simple and easy. And then for the charm on this one, I wanted to do like this cute little silver charm with a tassel. So I put a jump ring on both the silver charm and the tassel, and then a 3rd jump ring to go through both of those, and then a 4th jump ring to actually attach it to the pen. That way it wasn't all so like jumbled together and everyone had space to move. All right, and so that about covers it. Again, these were so simple and easy to make. I think I knocked out about 10 of these in under an hour. I was having so much fun putting these together. I also want to show you guys these boxes that I got. They're like the perfect size. These are just little jewelry boxes that I found on Amazon, and they come with that little cotton padding for inside. I will link these down below in the description box. And then I just took a length of tulle and tied that around the box and tied a little bow for some cute packaging. And that was it. Like, it could not get any easier, and it makes such a nice gift. Like, I want a couple of these just to keep in my purse and carry around if I ever need a pen, but I'm just in love. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I know it was short. I've got a lot of stuff going on right now with the move, but I hope you loved this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you again soon. And a big thank you to all of our Flynn Sisters exclusive members. Thank you for your pledge. Your support means the world to our channel. If you love this video, you could check out our last video here. Also be sure to find us on Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, and of course subscribe for all our new videos that come out every Wednesday and Saturday. Thanks so much for watching. See you soon.